So we again, Thunder Stargate Communications. Um, all right, so look over there now. This is where we are show the item. You see overtime. So when we are showing it from top on top of the place, maybe the item now overstand what we are trying to say. So that's why we forward down here so we can give a clear picture of what we are really say. Um, when we say you see the culvert, yeah, the thing up so, see there? Yeah, the lighting kind of stay away. All right, so there. So that now could have come all the way down. And the drain, or the black pipe where them have up there, all of that could have come all the way down. See? So it could have built and then it just run out. All the way out there. So. Now disturb, no erode and wash away. Yeah, because it will not have no high point of which to come from. But when it fall, it will left a trench. Alright, so what they are showing you now, I want to point you to this. See? This is a stone that well tacky and covered. But watch out. That one you're missing. Watch over here, so again. That one you're missing. This missing. Why you think that happen? You see when the pressure of the water start beat it, yeah, over time it move with the cement. And that you find say go on. So the erosion start already. So also here, when I ask the ones them well the community now, yeah, when we are reason with them a while ago now and I say if the engineer and the builder have any sort of meeting with them and thing, pause. Alright. So we'll give you a good little overview of what is taking place and what go on. See? So we have to talk to NWA or whomever it is who is responsible for this. Councillor, MP, well we never seen no councillor how long. We even if we still have no councillor. But the by-election are forward soon, so certain things will get fixed. So yeah, we have to talk with NWA and whoever else is responsible. Because yeah, we keep showing the people them, so we have to hold people accountable. The right people them have to get hold accountable for so that we can make sure them do the right thing. You understand? Yeah. That's the beautiful power of nature. So we just give you a nice view of that. Nice, powerful excavator and all that. So yeah. But I not happy with how I see things are go. I must say certain part of the work we admire and thing. Yeah. The stones are beautiful, all of that, yeah. And not in favor of basket or the grind as them say. So earlier we did that talk about the culvert. Yeah, we have said that culvert could have come all the way down. Yeah, just like how you see them build it, have it in the middle of the concrete. Yeah, all of that could have come all the way down here, so. Yeah. Lay right out into the river. It run right out there, so nothing there for erode. See it? But unfortunately, that the ones them now say when them not talk with the builder and the engineer, them not listen. Yeah. So this is as a result of what. But those things happen when you don't have proper community representative, groups or group where if you not listen to the suggestions on the ground of the community individuals, the work stop. Yeah. I saw it off ago, See it? And when you find so now you have them strong representation, so people not take step I try, creating a havoc because this Ross you can't stay so, As you know what will happen in a few months' time, then people they house up and this are gone. And all the universe they wash it too. See it? So that's how it. So we're gonna try to, full joy another view of the mighty mountains. Yeah. Beyond them places they have a certain community called Institution Hill. Yeah. Beautiful, nice rivers and all of that. Down there Augustown. Yeah, heal the great Bedwood. And the great people from Augustown, see me. Yeah. The great people from all over Jamaica. All over the planet. Yeah. So hopeful. That's over there again. So till we link in, Tunde Stargate Communication. Give thanks to the item where take time out for view, for comment, for like, for share, and for subscribe. Yeah, we bring them good footage here till the item. So what the item do now in support is just like, share, comment, subscribe. Click. Hopeful.